Astro? Astro? Oh, yes, Sprout. Keep focused. Don't doze off when we're out here in danger. Sorry. Sprout, are you well? Well enough? What do you want? Nothing. I just wanted to check it. No deserts you're looking for? No, not at all. Just never mind. Are you okay? Oh, Sprout, come on. I asked it first. Well, I asked it louder. Come on. You say first. I'm okay. Well, good. Then I am okay. Good. Good. Then I am okay too. You ever noticed that the sign says delectable?
Sorry, I don't know how to read.
The one in the dining section? Isn't meant to be delectable? Yeah, it is. We're not fixing it, are we?
Nope.
Maybe I can cook some seafood after this. Sprout! Finn, I mean this nicely. The fish on your hair is just a toy plastic.
He's so much more to me!
No, I don't have any treats for you.
This bitch-ass motherfucker don't have any treats for me. Oh, what a joke.
People? I really gotta tell Dandy about your staring problem. You are a good pet rock when you are a good pet rock when you want to be, People. You're going to be the good Sprout, were you interested in an interview? Nope. And don't go asking Cosmo about me either. I see. Best you keep to yourself, Roger. That's safer. It may be safer, but uncovering truths is more rewarding. Sure, Roger. Sure. Sprout, have I told you about some Sprout, have I told you about some Sprout, have I told you about some prehistoric plants? Yeah, a couple of times, actually. Sure, as long as Cosmo can join us later. Ha, deal, you two going to love...
I'm not going to read that.
Oh, I have a friend who is teaching me about some sewing. You sew? Well, it's a little side hobby. You know Cosmo is teaching Buxton how to bake. Oh, maybe I should ask him for some tips so I can have some more hobbies.
Hey, berry boy.
You're still calling me that?
You're a berry, you're a boy.
Alright, Alright, Teach. Sorry, that one was a little bit far. You still arguing with Dandy?
I try to, but he walks away every time when I approach him the most of the time.
Yeah, that sounds about right. He does the same to me.
Yeah, but he will talk with
V. I know.
Whatever, we'll chat more on it later if you want.